Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nuzul Hakimi bin Sobaruddin, and today I will explain for my individual assignment about foam fire suppression system. So let's keep on. So what is foam fire suppression system? So foam fire suppression system are extinguished agent that can extinguish flammable or combustible liquid by cooling and separating the ignition source from the surface suppression flammable vapors. It is made up of small air-filled bubbles that have a lower density than water. Applicable in wide areas such as aircraft hangar, petrochemical, oil and gas, flammable liquid storage, tank farms, loading facilities and warehouse. Okay, now the type of foam fire suppression system. So there is three types, which is low expansion system, which is very wet and fluid foam blanket with a small foam bubbles. Low expansion foam offers a 5 to 1 expansion rate, making it the foam system of choice. And the medium expansion system, which is a dense foam blanket, is often 2 feet deep or more with an expansion rate of 50 to 1. And next is the high expansion system, which is large foam bubble and more damp than wet with an expansion rate of 500 to 1. Next, let's see the component of the foam fire suppression system. The first component is the foam nozzles and foam chambers, foam monitor for external use, high expansion foam generator, direct alarm foam, foaming agent concentrate. Now let's see how does the fire foam suppression system work. Foam fire suppression system extinguish fire by separating the fuel from the oxygen. The foam smooths the surface of the fuel and the water content of the foam then cools the fuel and the area of foam covering the fuel to prevent ignition via flammable vapors. The main difference between foam system and other traditional wet sprinkler system is the addition of the foam agent. The foaming agent is stored separately from the water, and the two are mixed within the piping system prior to the discharge. Next, let's see the benefit of foam fire suppression system. What are the foam fire suppression system benefits? Foam fire suppression system is more effective than the standard water sprinkler at putting out hotter fires due to its ability to quickly cool a fire. It also is faster at putting out a fire, which means less property damage due to fire as compared to a water sprinklers. The fire might damage the property in building due to the slow cooling factor. Foaming fire suppression system have a very minimal negative environmental impact. The foaming agent is readily biodegradable in natural environments and sewage treatment facilities. In comparison to standard water sprinkler, which may take time to cover the whole area such as warehouse and aircraft hangar, but foam fire suppression system can cover great areas in seconds. Both in terms of installation and maintenance, foam fire suppression systems are often more cost effective as it only requires annual inspection and inspection of foam concentrate tanks, system flow testing, and sample of foam concentrate. Now let's see what we need to consider to make before installation. So foam fire suppression system require a lot of water, which means that it need to be accessible to an intensive water supply. The clean-up process after a foam fire suppression system is discharged may take a few days of progress. The foam need to be contained and kept on site during clean-up, which may require additional drainage. Freezing also may occur in the foam system if there are no proper inspection carried out. As a conclusion, new emerging innovation and technologies on the active fire protection system is a good initiative as they can contribute to saving more life and directly improve the quality of the fire protective system. Moreover, awareness of the benefit of the usage of foam fire suppression system is required, as has a minimal negative environmental impact, even though there have been slight disadvantages. Further improvement on the foam fire suppression system regarding the cleanup process is needed. Thank you.